Good morning. My name is Samruddhi Shashikumar Randive. Today we are going to discuss about the topic tissue. So first of all, see what is the tissue. Tissue are the smallest functional unit and they are grouped together and form the function in a body organisms. So it is perform the specialized functions. The study of the tissue is called as the histology. So basically, we see the definition of the tissue as like tissue is the collection of the cells which have the similar structure and perform relatively common function. So as we know that the tissues are present in all our bodies, but in all our bodies the tissues perform their different functions and they have different location on their functions. So on the basis of the functions and the locations, tissues are divided into four types. First is epithelial tissue, second is connective tissue, third is muscular tissue, and last one is nervous tissue. First of all, we see the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue are the cells which are closely packed without any intercellular space. These are lies between the basement membrane. So they are found in outer layer or inner lining of the gastrointestinal tract, then the body organs, urinary tract and blood vessel. So they are used in a function of the protection, defense of the body and absorb the gastrointestinal food in the intestinal. As we know that the epithelial tissues are divided into two types such as simple epithelial tissue and stratified epithelial tissue on the basis of their functions and locations. So the epithelial tissues are divided into two types such as simple epithelial tissue and stratified epithelial tissue. So simple epithelial tissue are also divided into two types such as cuboidal and columnar and scuboidal. Then the stratified tissue which is consist of the multiple layer than the simple epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue contains only one layer. Then we see the next part, it is connective tissue. So it is mostly abundant in all over body. They are widely separated from each other from the epithelial tissue. It is made up of the fibroblast, mast cell, fat cells, and eukaryotes. So they perform a function and they provide store energy, protection. So the connective tissue are divided into three types, such as areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and cartilage tissue. The fourth one we know that is a bone. Then the next tissue is muscular tissue. It is made up of the muscles, cells, which are united from the muscles. And from the muscle, they connected to each other and relax and form the rhythmicity. So, as we know that the muscular cells are divided into three types, such as smooth muscles, cardiac muscle, and the skeletal muscle. And the last one is nervous muscle. Nervous muscle, these are the tissue which is found in only and only nervous system. So they are divided into two types such as excited and non-excited nervous tissue. So the function of the nervous tissue is irrelatability, and it provides the capacity to react the various physical and chemical agents. So this is all about the tissue. Thank you.